Hi everyone, I'm Lisa Curcio and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. You might recognize this. This is the Stampin Scrub and it's used to clean your stamps. But there's a new, faster and easier way. And it's called the Stampin Shammy. Yeah, it's not pretty anymore because I've been using it. It will get stained with usage, but I've got to tell you this is a wonderful product and I couldn't wait to showcase it on my quick tip today. All you have to do is get it wet with tap water and it acts in place of the Stampin Scrub. So when your stamp is dirty, all you have to do is clean it on here. If you've got a lot of repeated use, simply rinse it out with tap water. It will get stained, but that means that you're using it. Don't worry, you've got two sides, and once it dries, it hardens like this side has. You're going to see that it turns a little bit different color of purple than the rest of the chamois. That just gets re-moistened and it becomes more pliable. One of the reasons I really love the Stampin' Shammy, and I can store it in a clear mount stamp case. I'm able to take it with me to crops, to a friend's house to stamp, and it'll stay nice and moist in here. Now I live in Florida where the climate is full of humidity, so I find that mine stays wet for a very, very long time. If you're in a drier location, just make sure that you just rinse it underneath the sink where you're at and you're going to be good to go. Prior to Stampin' Up! Coming out with the Stampin' Shammy, I had a friend buy me this one. Now this is a product from another company, but I want to show you something. Look at the depth difference. Do you see how ours is a lot thicker than those that are on the market? It allows you to get into the small nooks and crannies of those detailed stamps a lot easier, providing better coverage and cleaning. The chamois is 5 inches by 7 inches, making it an ideal size even for background stamps. You don't need a cleaning solution, just simply wet it with tap water and clean off your stamps. It makes it easy and portable. And the best part about the Stampin' Shammy, as far as I'm concerned, is this. It works fabulous with the Stamparatus. When you have your stamp mounted on one of the clear hinged plates, you don't have to dislodge it if it needs cleaning. Just take your chamois right to the plate and wipe it right off. And like I said before, just rinse it off with repeated uses. You'll find the Stampin' Shammy here on page 206 of the Stampin' Up! Catalog. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you're interested in Stampin' Up! Products, I'd be more than happy to send you a complimentary copy. Just leave me a comment below. And when you order in my online store, I offer great exclusive shopping rewards as well. When you pick up your Stampin' Shammy, don't forget to order some of the clear mount stamp cases. You'll find the link for the details down the description bar below. Thanks for joining me, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you next week for another quick tip.